Here are the top 5 reasons to become a medical assistant. Number 1, the growing job market. The demand for medical assistants is rapidly increasing as the healthcare industry expands, leading to more job opportunities and ensuring job stability and security. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, employment for medical assistants is projected to grow by 18% by 2030, a much faster rate than many other occupations. Number 2, quick entry into the workforce. Training programs like the 10-month course at California Career Institute enable you to enter the workforce swiftly without requiring a lengthy degree. Becoming a medical assistant offers a highly accessible way to launch your healthcare career quickly. Number 3, great opportunities. Medical assistants can work in various healthcare settings, including hospitals, clinics, and private practices, providing a dynamic and diverse work experience. Medical assistants also perform a wide variety of tasks, gaining invaluable experience that can lead your healthcare career in many different directions. 4, meaningful work. As a medical assistant, you play a vital role in patient care, directly impacting and improving the lives of those you assist, which can be highly rewarding and fulfilling. And finally, number 5, great career advancement opportunities. Starting as a medical assistant can be a stepping stone to further career advancement in the healthcare field, with opportunities to specialize, pursue further education, or move into administrative roles. For more information on becoming a medical assistant, reach out to one of our admissions representatives today or visit us online at calinstitute.edu. Your healthcare career starts here.